Welcome, guys. Let me see. Is it recording? It is recording. You. Very nice. Welcome, guys, to my first session for you. We can see today's market is looking kind of funny. A lot of wicks, a lot of movements. It is the weekend, so we should be extra careful. We can see huge movements, huge sellers. I'm assuming this will also be the same type of movement, and then we can expect another range somewhere down here. We're just gonna keep on moving to the other charts. Yeah. Make sure, guys, to join our Telegram. This is a nice trade. See the first touch, second touch, the third touch breaking a doji. This would be nice. If I was there, I would have 100% taken that. Increase the amount. I will mark some levels. Oh, my phone. I'll mark some levels here that seem interesting to me. Yeah, for example, like this one. Yeah, the price stayed between two, so we are in a different zone right now. This was a decision point. Okay, we reacted from the support. We have a channel to the upside, so we can see. Let me just delete everything. Oh, this is not what I wanted. This was an upside channel. Also, we had this inverted fair value gap. Now the price coming into it. 3 candles, 3 candles, 3 candles. We don't see more than 3 candles in a row. This is also resistance becoming a support. On the smaller time frame, there was this entry. Also seems like we're creating a strong momentum. Yeah. I'll just move on. There was no opportunity. Probably is going to react, but not my cup of tea. Oh, we had a very nice common point of rejection, a CPR. This was takeable. Also closing, breaking this level with the gap up on the round number. Yeah, this was takeable. I would probably take that since we have this breaker block. It's an ICT concept. Also a doji break, and we have a round number and this overlapping level right here. So let us see. Yes, I'm taking that. Also gap up. That's nice. I'll take one more here. Maybe we end our session right now, since I gotta go. I'll maybe take another session later, but I don't think so. We'll see how this trade will go. Yeah, that's very critical. I don't like the rejection. They reacted from this doji. But yeah, you see, it was a draw. Doesn't matter. It got reacted from the doji. Too bad. Should have entered it down there. Another doji. We have a trend line. But it seems that it's breaking it. Yeah. I mean, respecting it. Okay. This is kind of shady, not gonna lie. Red, green, red, red. Triple doji break, but I would need something more. Maybe I'll add on this shady looking CPR. Yeah, I wanted to take that though. I wanted really to take that. Let me just adjust this. If the candle comes, it will be good. If not, it doesn't matter. It's also not a very good CPR. Yeah. We also have the small demand that got used. But yeah, anyways. Okay. Okay, it's another doji break with the higher high. This could also be a double top. Okay. I'm not gonna take that. This doji was nice. So basically when we break a doji, you can get a retracement, like you see. We would draw lines from the upper doji and the lower doji, then expect a retracement. I went here because it was a triple doji break. I know that was the one that we missed. But I would have taken that if it came to my common point of rejection, because the market is bullish. We can see that obviously. Now we are creating a red-green pattern. Green, red, red, green, red, red, maybe. Here we are reacting, but the candle before wasn't so good. This was maybe a breakaway gap, but it doesn't matter. You see, I didn't want to take that, it was too risky. But right now, we're coming back to the doji. We have a big and a small one, and the buyers still entered. That means we were reacting from somewhere, and the buyers could gain control again. We're just gonna see the next candle. Okay. We have a DP here. It's also a small third touch breakout. But this is my decision point area. That means something happened here. If I go to the lower time frame, I'll probably find something. No, gotta be fast. We have something up here that caused the whole break. I am gonna mark it. It's not a very nice, beautiful one, but I gotta work with that. This is also strong momentum. It can easily break this. We touched it, right? Yeah, but I don't want to trust that. I also see a breaker block with a fair value gap that created and broke it. That's why I was so sure about it. But right now, after seeing the momentum, no. It's one of my rules. Don't go against the momentum. Okay. See, it reacted, but wasn't that good. It was not in my criteria. Okay. Okay. Let me see. We have another doji. But the price is coming from a support zone where this big movement happened. Yeah. But we are still in a... Oh. Could have been a swing doji also, by creating a double bottom, then keep going up. That's why I ain't gonna trust that. Okay. This is like a small QM, right? But every time we touched the trend line, we had a huge engulfing, continuation, huge engulfing, continuation. We could probably go for the continuation this time also, but this is a small QM. Broke the trend line, retracement, go to the higher time frame. Nothing. Basically, having those type of markets is really annoying. Let me see if we stumbled upon some. Oh, that's way too long. This is a doji break, but it could easily be a swing doji. This is a perfect example of a level. This candle right here is acting like a level right now for us. This is a cycle pattern also, like red, green, red, green, red, green, green, red. It's a cycle pattern that I want to take with marginal safety though. Oh, our third touch breakout is coming, but look, this can go forever. Where was that other right now? Okay. Strong momentum though. Okay, told you I'm gonna find something nice. But it already is a doji break. 3 overlapping break. First touch, second touch, lower low. Head and shoulders pattern. What do we also have? This is a double bottom against us. But we have a double third touch breakout here. One is up here. The other one is there. Also gap up. Let me just take it. I mean, my entry should be based on the CPR. Right here. That was the problem. On the round number could have been also well done. Yeah. But I'm expecting anyways a red candle. But what I'm telling you guys, is it won't harm you if you take your trades on with some marginal safety, because we trade the flag mode, right? We trade only when the candle closes. So when the candle closes, your trade closes also. So either you win or lose. But take it with marginal safety, it won't hurt you. Like for example, this common point of rejection. And yeah, guys, this is my session for today. I'm heading out. Oh, I'm kind of tired also, but I have to go, man. Anyways, it was nice, and thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next challenge or sesh. Yeah? Stay safe.